With the 13th edition of the Indian Premier League all set to get underway later this month, here's the Royal Challenger Bangalore team preview as we take a look at how the Star Shuttle franchise shaped up ahead of the tournament. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click cover and hit the bell icon to get notification instantly. Despite boosting of some top international in their lineup over the years, the Royal Challenger Bangalore have not been able to lift the title in any of their 12 attempts. They reached the final thrice in 2009, 2011 and 2016 and look good to win it on the first and the most recent of those occasions. But an untimely batting collapse saw them fall short. They have endured a miserable struggle in last three editions, finishing bottom in 2017 and 2019 and 6th in 2018. That, however, does not take away from the reputation of being one of the most feared side in the competition, as they have arguably the most dynamic batting star in the competition history in Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers. Add to that Aaron Finch, the Australian T20 captain, who is the only player to have scored of 150 plus in T20 history, and RCB yet again have some of the devastating batsmen in the competition at their disposal. Over the years, they have struggled to settle on a perfect playing combination, especially in the bowling department. Here's we look at how they can possibly address that in 2020 edition. IPL 2020 Royal Challenger Bangalore team preview. I probably exchange a couple of hundred messages with Virat for a couple of hours, said Mike Hussain, RCB team director, revealing the captain needness to retain South African quick Delstein during the auction in December. Kohli's eagerness to rope in Stein was hardly a surprise, as he has seen his bowling unit fail collectively over the years, something that has cost the team dearly, especially in their own backyard, which has a reputation of being one of the most high-scoring venues in the country. They bought in three more overseas bowling options in Chris Woakes, Aishwarya Udana and Kane Richardson to round off a solid fast bowling core. But with the withdrawal of Kane Richardson from the Indian Premier League, they signed Australian spinner Adam Zampa in his place. The spin department is handled by Yuzvendra Chahal, Washington Sundar and Adam Zampa, the former of whom has been the team's premier wicket taker over the years. A lot had been said about RCB batting prowess ever since the day when Chris Gayle, Kohli and de Villiers played in the same XI before the West Indian was released ahead of 2018 edition. That and the bowling inconsistency have somewhat overshadowed a crucial void in their setup. That was Indian batting mainstay to assist Kohli in the middle order. They had KL Rahul, who aced the role in 2016 while switching batting position in their run to the final, but have not found a replacement since having released him prior to 2018 edition. Kohli will be keen on playing Devdutt Padikkal, the left-hander who top scored in Syed Mushtaq Ali 2019, scoring 518 runs at an average of 64.44 during Karnataka's victorious campaign. While Moeen Ali's remain a key player considering his all-round skill, the ability of Shivam Dube, who has shown spark of brilliance in his short international career so far, cannot be overlooked. Royal Challengers squad list for Indian Premier League 2020 with Virat Kohli captain, AB de Villiers, Devdutt Padikkal, Gurkirat Singh Mann, Moeen Ali, Mohammad Siraj, Navdeep Saini, Parthiv Patel, Pawan Negi, Shivam Dube, Umesh Yadav, Washington Sundar, Yuzvendra Chahal, Aaron Finch, Chris Morris, Dale Stone, Aishwarya Udana, Joseph Philippe, Adam Zampa, Pawan Deshpande, Shahbaz Nadeem. Here's the key player for the Royal Challenger Bangalore in IPL 2020. At number 1, the one and only Virat Kohli. It goes without saying that RCB's success rests heavily on their skipper's shoulder. His biggest challenge, however, would be to excel as a captain and lead his side team to a title win, something that has eluded him for quite some time now. At number 2, Chris Morris. Morris was bought for a whopping 10 crore Indian rupees at the auction, the most expensive buy for Royal Challenger Bangalore. That he batted at number 5 position while donning the role of a lead strike bowler and specialist at the death for Sydney Thunder in BBL 2019-2020 only reinstated his value as a T20 player. He has a decent amount of experience in the competition. Having played for 3 teams previously, it won't be a surprise if he plays ahead of fellow countryman Steyn in the XI, given his ball striking ability at the back end. My prediction for Royal Challenger Bangalore is bottom 4. Royal Challenger Bangalore once again are stalled with some of the top overseas international, but that expect once again flatter to deceive. After all, only 4 of them can take the field on any given day. Kohli would want his fellow local to step up if his side are to go the distance in Indian Premier League 2020. At last, don't forget to give your useful feedback on the video and do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.